Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how you can perform a ARP spoofing attack and become the man in the middle. What are the benefits of man in the middle? By becoming a man in the middle, you can capture all the traffic from the source to the destination you are capturing. Say for instance, this is the client. This this is the client. Like this is our client box, and this is our firewall. Whenever client request go to there, and it will be go serving by their firewall. Say for instance, my client says I want to go to google.com. What it will happen, the traffic will be routed to this destination, my firewall, and firewall will route all the traffic to the internet, to the google.com server. But what we are doing, that we will, what actually we want that our traffic will not, the client's traffic will not go in that manner. What actually we want that our client traffic will go in that manner. Our client traffic will go first to our backtrack box, and then it will go to the firewall. So by this mechanism we can see all the traffic, all the everything which client is using. I'm not talking about the HTTPS or encrypted traffic. I'm talking about the plain text. Anything which is in plain text, it will be or it can be captured by our backtrack box. Okay, for this purpose I will use some tools. I will use Nmap, which will allow me to find all the connected device into my network. ARP Spoof will be my main tool, which lie to my client that I'm the firewall, and lie to the firewall that I'm the client. So everything will be like that. Everything will be like okay. DriftNet is the tool that we can actually get the graphics, get the images which was served by the client. Or URL Snarf is the tool by you can get the logs, the URLs information in this man in the middle attack. Okay, let's begin with our backtrack 5 or with our attack. Let me clear this screen so you can see the better. This is my Windows box. All the equipments which I'm using in this nugget or in this tutorial is under my administration, and I am personally managing these devices. I would recommend not to perform these operations on the network where you are not allowed to do so. Anyway, just begin. This is my client box. As you can see that my client have IP on 192.168.105, and when you perform all, you can see the physical address as well. This is the physical address. Okay, I'm switching to my backtrack box. Here I will open up my window, and I will see what is my configuration. This is my IP address, and this is my MAC address. Okay, we will spoof this MAC address to the firewall, and we will lie to the firewall that it is the source IP address, and we will lie to the client that this MAC address is belong to the firewall. Anyway, just begin. First we will scan all the network using an Nmap, all the subnet. I'm scanning all of my subnet. Okay, this will take a while to be complete. Okay, it's gathering some information from my network. Okay, this is my main router, which is the IP address is 192.168, which is my firewall as well, and my internet gateway as well. Okay, before we perform this operation, we will try to make sure that we have enough internet access on our customer client side. Okay, I can see that my client is able to access internet on machine. The next thing, the first thing, we need to scan all of our network, there are devices, and the next thing which we need to target the victim. In our case, we are targeting our Windows XP box, which is lie here. Okay, and our listening interface is ETH0. Let's begin. First, we need to enable the IP packet forwarding, so we will not be our client will not be a victim of denial of services attack. So client will not realize, client will not realize that he is the victim of the man in the middle attack or ARP spoofing attack, or he will be able to get the internet packets as well. Okay, first we need to enable the packet forwarding. Proc sysconfig sys/net IPv4 IP_forward. Okay, just to make sure that we have the exact value which we want. More, this value should be 1, not 0. Okay, now we have packet enabled. The next thing which we need to enable the ARP spoof attack. Our source IP address is our source interface address is ETH0, which will receive all the traffic from the client and from the firewall as well. ARP spoof space -I. Now we need to specify the target which we want to lie. We want to lie to 105. We want to lie to our Windows box that I am the firewall. By this, we are lying to our client that we are actually the firewall. Let it continue. We will open another box, another window, and in that window we will perform another. Now we will lie to in first attack we lie to our client that we are firewall. Now we are going to lie to our firewall that I am the client. Okay, the next thing, I need to enable the driftnet, by which I can see all of the graphics. Now I need to write the interface. Okay, here are the window, by you can see all of the graphics which accessing by the customer. The next thing, we need to capture the interfaces or the URL, and we need to log the URL which accessed by the customer. For this, we are using URL snarf -I ETH0, and here we go. Okay, now I'm going to my Windows box to test our attack is working or not. Now we have open songs.pk. You can see that we are getting some pictures. You can see that we are getting the traffic on our we can have some more useful information from our customer or client. By using, we can do a lot of hacks. If customer is using plain text credentials, then we will be able to see those credentials as well. I hope I enjoyed a lot in this video. I hope you will. This video is more informational for you. Till then, keep watching IT Markaz. Thank you very much.